All right, what's up everybody? One of my students had a question about the song Schism by Tool and the timing therein, so we're gonna go break that down just a little bit. First part's in 5/8, second part's in 7/8. So first part goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a. Second part is in 7/8. We just add 2 more notes and we'll have the same kind of pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a. So let's put that together. We're going to play the 5/8 followed by the 7/8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a. So all together a little bit faster. I'm not going to count it this time because my brain will go to mush. All right, hope that helps out.